HBO knocked it out of the park with their adaptation of one of the most popular video games of all time, Naughty Dog's The Last of Us. This show is a straight 10, and I do not give out 10s easily. Acting, directing, cinematography, art direction, top notch. And the same goes for color grading. It's graded by the legend himself, Stephen Nakamura. He's known for Kill Bill, The Aviator, The Departed, The Martian, Crazy Rich Asians, and Extraction. The Last of Us is filmed on an Arri Alexa Mini with Cooke S4 lenses. Cookes are known for their warm colors, smooth rendering of skin tones, and gentle roll-offs in the highlights. Some of my favorite movies on these lenses are The Revenant, Mad Max Fury Road, Gravity, The Dark Knight, and Children of Men. And for those that want to jumpstart on color grading, I have a free 1-hour accelerated workshop. It covers topics such as skin tones, shot matching, gamma shift, and much more. Link is in the description, and let's roll the intro. The story is set in a post-apocalyptic world where humanity is on the brink of extinction, and it is clearly and beautifully conveyed by muted tones throughout the series. We only see rich tones in the prologue scene before the world goes to shit. Kudos to the set design and art direction for the color separation created on set and further enhanced in DI. And I cannot stress enough that the best orange and teal look is created on set, and the same goes for any stylized look. Fix it in post is not a motto high-end productions live by, and it shows.
You lock your doors now!
I love the heavy use of yellow tones where we discover the virus for the first time. Yellow in this instance symbolizes sickness and is a bullseye choice for this scene. If I were to take out the excess yellow, it might look prettier, but it completely misses the emotion and the direct message created initially through color. This virusy, gunky yellow grade continues throughout the series as we go on this journey with Ellie and Joel.
You're a weird kid.
Then there is this look that's on the complete opposite spectrum. It makes you want to grab a blanket. Again, if I were to balance this scene out, it could look proper, but it strips away the magic. So you're probably picking up on a theme here that what makes Rockstar colorists special is not that they have access to more tools than you, but they are comfortable going to uncomfortable places for the story. This scene was so beautiful and surreal. Even then, the colors are not out of control and still stayed true to the muted color scheme of the show. Now, majority of this series takes place in the dark. Nothing brings panic and fear more than dark spaces, and it's further exaggerated through color grading. It's dark to the point where I struggled to figure out what was really going on, which added so much more chaos and drama. Especially this scene literally feels like a painting. No spotlights, everything is sitting just above the darkest point on the scopes to create an authentic night setting. It feels as real as if you're there.
Joel, tell him he's okay.
Everything is great.
Dude.
Color grading plays a much more vital role in a sci-fi post-apocalyptic world as opposed to a present-day drama where colors are expected to be more on the natural side. Now, if there's any specific scene that jumped out to you when it comes to colors, drop it in the comment section below. Too many people think color grading is super technical and they get fascinated by the ones and zeros. But what you saw here is a work of a true master making art. If you want to become a tastemaker and start telling your stories through color, then don't forget to watch the free workshop. You can also purchase my full masterclass. Links to both are in the description below. If you have any content suggestions, drop them in the comments and I will see you in the next video.